Here I have iPhone 14, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the slow motion mode and record slow motion videos like this. So I'm just gonna record this flower spinning, I don't know, maybe rolling. So let's get it. Okay, so we have it. Now let's check this video out. So as you can see on this video, this flower rolls extremely slow, just like in your favorite Hollywood action movies. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.